My name is Courtney. I am the studio manager at Lean Bean Fitness in Bondi, and I am also an instructor. The sound quality is actually amazing through the speakers in the studio. No matter how loud I turn it up, the quality is perfect every single time. Even if you pump the music, everyone can hear you clearly. It's really important, not so much in the smaller classes, but in those larger classes, it's ideal to have the mic on because you're moving around the room, you're talking to people at different ends, and if you need to all of a sudden call out a cue for a different exercise or count down from anything, everyone can hear you, which is really, really important. I first off started teaching without the microphone, and I just found my voice after 2-3 classes was absolutely shot. It just sounded like razor blades, and it felt like razor blades in my throat. But with the microphone, it just makes a world of difference, especially if you're teaching 5 or 6 classes a day, and you're teaching every day. It really, really saves your voice, and they're really not only practical for the students to be able to hear what we're saying, but it's really important for us to be able to save our voices and be able to continue teaching. And I've never had any issues, no complaints there.